ExpressVPN affiliate program sign up. If you're looking for a profitable way to earn commission by promoting a top tier VPN service, then the ExpressVPN affiliate program is an excellent choice. ExpressVPN is one of the most trusted VPN providers in the world, offering high commissions, a generous cookie duration, and strong brand recognition. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or a digital marketer, you can start earning by referring users to ExpressVPN. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the sign-up process, explain how the program works, and share tips to go ahead and maximize your earning. And so, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, in order to access the ExpressVPN affiliate program or page, you can just go ahead and search for the expressvpn.com/affiliates. If you cannot go ahead and look at it from their official website, you can just navigate through your search engine, search for the ExpressVPN affiliate program, and from there you want to navigate through their official website. Right after that, we can now go ahead and see their official article or page on how you can go ahead and join the ExpressVPN affiliate program. Now, before we head over to the sign up process, let's go ahead and talk about on why you want to go ahead and join the ExpressVPN affiliate program. First things first, we have a high commission. You can earn up to $36 per sale depending on the plan your referrals purchased. You have the long cookie duration. Now, ExpressVPN offers a 30-day cookie window, ensuring you get credited for signups within this period. We have the reputable brand. ExpressVPN is known for its strong security, fast speeds, and ability to bypass geo restrictions. We have dedicated affiliate supports. Basically, you could get assistance from the ExpressVPN's affiliate managers and access high converting promotional materials. And lastly, no monthly limits. There's no cap on how much you can go ahead and earn each month, making it a great source of passive income. And now, how can you go ahead and sign up for the ExpressVPN affiliate program? First things first, let's go ahead and go to the official website of ExpressVPN affiliate program page. And from here, we can now go ahead and click on the Become an Affiliate button. From there, basically, it will then take us to this page where you have to click on the Sign Up button. Basically, once inside, we have to fill out the necessary application form. In here, we have our own name, email, website, or content platform details. But the first thing that we are going to go ahead and see is the contract terms for ExpressVPN. We also have the terms and agreements inside this page right here. So for the first page, you have your subscription term or the payout details. For subscription, it's going to give you around $13 and $36 per subscription right here on the ExpressVPN affiliate program. So we have the conditions like the item category is 1 month ExpressVPN package, which is going to give you $13 per item. And for our last category, it is going to be 24 months ExpressVPN for $36. So the payout detail or the payout amount right here will go ahead and depend on what type of package that your referral purchased. You have 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, and lastly 24 months. You have your own schedule, action locking. Actions are locked 8 days after end of month that they are tracked. You have your payout scheduling. Approved transactions are paid 10 days after the end of the day they lock. Now, for qualified referrals, you have your last click, and for referral windows, you have allow referrals from clicks within 30 days. Now, the general terms for the currency is that financial transactions covered by this insertions order will be processed in the US dollar currency. Currency exchanges will occur when your partners have set a different currency in the account settings. From here, we also have the payment settings or payment system. All payments related to this contract are to be paid outside of the impact system. And if you scroll down even further, we can then go ahead and see the terms and agreements for the ExpressVPN affiliate program. You want to make sure that you read all of these agreements right here before agreeing and clicking on the accept button. By clicking on accept, you have confirmed that you have read, understood, acknowledged, and accept the terms and agreements or the PDF file provided in this page right here. And so let's go ahead and click on the accept button. And basically right after that, we can now sign up using our email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, and impact.com. In my case, I'll go ahead and use one of my Google accounts, so I'll click on the Google option. Now from here, basically to go ahead and complete your sign up, you have requirements like your first name, your last name, your own email address, and lastly your mobile number. You can just go ahead and make sure that you put the correct information right here because they will contact you on what you have put on the email address and also your own mobile number. From here, you can just click on the I have read and accept the ExpressVPN terms.pdf. Click on the Get Started button. And basically from here, we then have to enter our own one-time password. Right after that, we will then be asked on how we can categorize our business. Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brand learns more about your business. So from here, you basically have something like social media influencer, my audience or your audience follows you for entertainment, education, and community. And they engage with social native content that you produce. You have content slash reviews, loyalty slash rewards, deals slash coupons, email slash newsletter, search slash comparisons, network, technology solutions, and lastly, cross audience monetization. You can just go ahead and read some of the descriptions for each category right here. For example, for search slash comparison, your audience uses your platform to discover and compare products, services, or prices across multiple vendors, helping them find the best option and make informed decisions based on their specific needs and preferences. After selecting your specific category, click on the continue button. And from here, basically, we have to add our own promotional page. For example, you have website, your social media, your mobile application, your podcast, email address, or an offline article or billboard. So you have your name, you have your type of monetization or promotion, description of that specific promotion, customer reach, audience, countries, or region, choose a language, and lastly, how can you go ahead and verify this ownership? In my case, I'll just go ahead and add one of my YouTube channel, which is going to be from this option right here. Click on continue. And lastly, you have to fill out the necessary information like your display name, country, region, your own address, time zone, and lastly, currency. And from there, after clicking on submit, it will then go ahead and review your submission, wait for a couple of days, and you will be able to go ahead and log into your account right here from impact.com, get your referral link or referral address, and you can now go ahead and promote that specific link. Now, before we proceed or end the video, I want to talk about tips on how you can maximize your earning. First things first, you want to target the right audience. VPNs are popular among users looking for privacy, security, and unrestricted internet access. You have SEO optimized content. You can write blog, post, or make videos that rank for keywords like the best VPN for streaming or how to stay anonymous online. You want to leverage discount and promotions. ExpressVPN frequently offers special deals which can increase conversion rates. And lastly, you want to go ahead and use comparison content. Create content comparing ExpressVPN or something like NordVPN, Surfshark, and any other VPN. Now basically, this is one of the best ways to go ahead and earn commission in the VPN niche with its high payout, trusted brand reputation, and strong demand for VPN services. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.